So if you're stuck at home or just want to make money from home, in this video, I'm giving you 7 powerful tips to do just that coming up. Number 1, consider investing in stocks. Maybe this sounds a bit intimidating. Don't you have to do a bunch of reading, understand financial charts, trends analysis? And yes, that is important, but if you are stuck at home, perhaps start investing with companies you're familiar with or companies that you are confident in their long-term growth and get started. Using apps like Robinhood, at least in my opinion, have been a really easy, seamless way to at least get started with your own investing portfolio. If you'd like to jumpstart your own investing portfolio, consider signing up with the affiliate link below and receive 1 free stock valued up to $500. Number 2, and something that I'm a big fan of, that's affiliate income. Most major companies already have affiliate programs. Companies like Walmart, Best Buy, and really the most popular, Amazon affiliates. You can share these links out to your audience, friends, and family and gain passive income from home. My recommendation is to start with companies, products, services that you love. You're going to be promoting these products and services, and you want to speak from the heart and really be true to the promotion of these products and services. Consider that before signing up. Number 3, online freelance work. If you have a skill, a talent, something that you can teach online, whether that be online and personal training or consulting, consider signing up for sites like Fiverr or Upwork where you can do just that. This is a great longer-term strategy. As you work on these sites, you can build your own clientele for continued business and referrals down the road. I've personally used Fiverr to hire out work that I can't do myself. Definitely sign up if you're a graphic designer, consultant, or other skill set. Number 4, something that stands the test of time, sell something. I am betting you have something lying around that you haven't been using in quite some time. My recommendation, if you haven't used it in at least a year and it's not a necessity, sell it. Use popular apps like OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Letgo, and use all of these apps to make sure you get the highest visibility and the fastest sale. A little tip for you when selling items, it's very important to take multiple pictures of the item and to take well-lit quality pictures. Sales can and will fall through as we mainly shop with our eyes first, especially for consumer products. Make sure to invest in quality pictures. Of course, there might be some travel here just to get out of the house and make the transaction in person, or of course, if you have the means, you can always ship the item. Number 5, and hear me out on this one, you can always start a YouTube channel. I will tell you from firsthand experience, YouTube is a long game. It takes time to generate any real income monthly from YouTube, and there's a lot that goes along with it. But if you are stuck at home, now may be the time to create that YouTube channel. Again, think about passions, think about value. What value can you pass off to your audience? And think about the why. Why is your audience coming to your channel specifically that stands apart from all the other channels out there, and really develop your personal brand? And number 6, going out to all the creatives out there, of course, there is Etsy. If you are a creative, an artist, you can sell those items and those pieces of art on Etsy. Number 7, don't ignore this one if you're stuck at home or just prefer being at home. That's remote work. A lot of companies are looking for remote workers, whether that be virtual assistants or social media managers. If your home base is here in the home, that's a great option. Those are 7 quick ideas of how to generate money right here from home without leaving the house. If you have your own ideas or anything that I missed, make sure to leave that down below in the comments. For more money-making video ideas and how to start that side hustle, make sure to click or tap the screen here or here. If you've enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, and I'll see you in the next one.